Tyler. We're in the van this morning. Where are we headed?
We are heading to see the Fab Rats.
We're going to go visit the Fab Rats. They haven't met you yet, right?
No.
But you're going on the run, so we want to show them who you are.
Mm-hmm.
You get to meet their Jace and Landon. Alright, so we're winding through the hills here north of Glendale. It was raining earlier, but it's now very sunny and beautiful. But it's only 59 degrees. That's cold. Glad you brought a jacket?
Yeah.
I didn't. Oh well. What kind of contraption you got there, Ben?
Oh, this is a mess.
No, I mean the thing you're laying on.
Hey, this is
you like that?
This is overhoods. Oh yeah. When you have to dive in, you just do it. And everything is. Oh, the IAC's been ate off. Okay.
We're gonna be wired.
So they've been chewing even on your
Yeah, there's.
spark plug wires.
Well, the coil wires not there much anymore. That's pretty bad. We might have burned a few things.
That was an accident. I didn't mean to throw that.
Hey, that was good though. I think it was funny. It really was.
When I told Dustin that, he's like, "Really?
You burned them?
I'm like, "They were in the box. I didn't see them."
I can't reach. Those are unhooking really easy. One side at a time.
So we showed up at the Fab Rat shop. The guys had been working for a couple hours. They had a new project. We've been waiting on this video because we didn't want to spoil it for their channel. You know, common courtesy. Anyway, it's a pretty cool truck, and their ideas for it are going to be pretty amazing. So
We're not going to change those. That's overrated.
No, he's got new ones.
Oh, really? Dang it.
Gotta do it.
There you go. Good luck.
You want a hat?
No, I'm good.
Flying J.
I'm good on the hats.
So we get there, they're working pretty hard. Obviously there was a rat infestation, so I was there as an expert and offered my opinion, but we weren't much help. But we were happy to be there, happy to hang out with the guys. So I noticed in the back that there's a chainsaw, and I don't know who commented about it first, but it looked like it had been there for years, just baking in the sun. And Paul got interested in it about as much as I did, and we sidetracked, started working on this chainsaw, see if we could get it to fire up.
Sherman, we got some hoses that are cracked up, and we put new hoses on it and a new primer bulb. We'll have ourselves a chainsaw.
I'll try not to. Real close.
I think it'll work. Just dandy.
All right, so we're sitting here in the new shop being built. Came to show Tyler the FJ. What do you think of this thing?
Looks pretty cool.
You know what this is? Air conditioning. So this is Grandpa Sherman's truck. They took it and they rebuilt it all. Like, this is all hand built. Everything. That has got to be the coolest cart thing I've seen in a long time.
It's pretty dang cool.
It looks comfy.
Yeah, you could work on it for sure.
Where's fire extinguisher?
Len, I need you in the truck.
Okay.
I don't see any fuel spray.
Go ahead and crank it. Okay.
What'd you find?
Found the, I think I found the registration for this thing. Turn the key on.
It's on. Sorry.
Please. Okay, crank it. Just needed real fuel. Keep it running. Woo. And then we'll come back and deal with making it.
I thought we ordered a spare.
Look at all the stuff that came out.
What? I thought we ordered this. Oh my goodness. So they brought the truck in this morning, and we just saw it fire. Even though rats are still living in the exhaust and eating everything in there, they got it to work.
Yeah, it runs.
Same old, yeah.
It runs ish. It'll be good by tonight.
Oh, I have no doubt. We just left, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Was it cool to meet the Fab Rats?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And what did Grandma Lolly give you?
A shirt.
She gave you a shirt. You're official now.
Yeah.
So we went down, and they had pulled a new project in the shop, which is pretty cool. Got it running.
Yeah.
And then Michelle fed us lunch, which was unexpected but awesome. So you didn't get your Fab Rats burger, but
It's fine.
it was good food, huh?
Yeah.
We hung out there for most of the morning. It was pretty nice of them to let us crash.
Yeah.
Got a chainsaw running and a truck running and hung out.
Yeah.
So that's our visit today. We're going to see them in a couple weeks for the river run, and we're excited about that.
Yeah.
It is super green here. Like, they've gotten tons of rain, and it's so nice. This is the family now. Gonna go meet up with the kids and hang out tonight. We'll see what other adventures or what other trouble we get into, huh, Bones?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys later. All right, you thought the video was over. It's not. So at the end, that's when we put the important stuff. That's what everybody does. We're just letting you know that this Sunday, you will start seeing river run videos from all of us. So you'll see Fab Rats, you'll see ours. Hopefully you'll see Merlin's. We're dropping those videos. So stick around for that. We don't normally post on Sunday, but we're posting. We're posting with them. So bonus episode. We'll see you guys on that one.
Pulling up to the airport, and guess who is already hanging out under the new driveway? Paul, Landon, Jace, Hunter, Ben, Merlin. Let's see what we can see. Oh, I see Hunter. Oh, there he is right there.
The horn honks.
What are you talking about?
That's how you're gonna. That's how you're doing it.
That's how I roll, brother.
I love that.
Mind if I ride?
Yeah, hop in, man.
Homie. Hi.
Oh, you still in
I
it?
stole the front.
What's up, big guy?
Not much.
You guys got the right hats. I need to go get mine. You let your dad do that to you?
Yeah. I did. Who the heck is that?
Yeah, I know, for real.
Loud as heck.
All right, we are loaded. There's probably going to be a couple of towed in.
A couple towed in. So that's more than I was thinking. Okay. All right. Percent. What are you thinking, Paul?
I think
How many are gonna make it to the end?
there's 7 of them for sure gonna make it because we have 7.
Oh, so he's being a little cocky. All right.
All right, we have commandeered someone's camera. We're doing some video, and actually it was Ben's camera. He was packing around. Thank you guys so much for having us. Food was delicious. This whole thing's gonna be a good time, so thank you guys.